Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, the Hierophant, Four of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. I think someone is coming to offer stability or to offer their life or their love with you. But this person is very slow moving. I think you are right now taking rest, you are healing and Hierophant. I think there are some commitment issues between you and your person, what I'm getting here. Definitely there are some commitment issues. For some, a new person is coming to offer their love to you. For some, it could be a past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. But there are some commitment issues. Right now, Taurus, you are healing. So, recent past Magician, clarification card, Seven of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles and the World. So, some cycles are already ended between you and your person. Definitely a lot of waiting energy. You are fed up with this waiting and juggling energy. They are always putting you in some type of confusion. There is no clarity. And there are, maybe you are doing manifesting techniques to attract them back again into your life, but you are fed up with waiting, whatever. So lots of you are in long distance relationship. Definitely for some, the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. So in recent past, you are in some juggling, you are in some type of confusion. Then present, Ace of Swords, clarification cards, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and Nine of Wands. You are totally guarded up, Taurus, no matter what. And some truth coming out. For some, there is no clarity from your person's side. That's why you decided to guard it up and you're focusing on your money, you're focusing on your abundance, career, because Queen of Pentacles is here and Queen of Swords. Now you're setting boundaries, healthy boundaries, and you're guarded up. Nine of Wands energy. Then future Chariot, clarification cards, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. So for some, you decided to move on from this person. Yeah, you are in slow moving, but at least you are trying and you are holding back, but you still have strong emotions towards this person. Some part of you still wanting this person in your life, and you are very passionate about your work. Queen of Wands, you will be in this energy. You are on your power. In near future, definitely you will be on your power, Taurus. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Cancer. So let's see your person's current feelings and their intentions. Taurus. Two cards. Their intentions. Under the deck, Page of Wands, the Lovers and the Fool. Definitely they want brand new beginnings. and they do love you, and there is some communication is coming. And for some, you both have age differences, and one person is very good looking in this connection. So their feelings: Eight of Cups, clarification cards, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Four of Swords. So if they walked away from this connection in recent past, now they're feeling guilty, or they want to leave behind everything that is fightings, arguments between both of you, and they want to reconcile with you, because Queen of Cups and King of Cups, you both have strong emotions towards each other. I think you both are on the same page, because you're also taking rest, healing, and they are also Four of Swords energy. They are also doing meditation to heal themselves completely and thinking about you a lot. And their feelings: King of Wands, their intentions. King of Wands, clarification card, Six of Pentacles, Strength, and Ten of Swords. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. Even though they're feeling very, very sad or they're tired, but they want rebirth. This connection has potential. In past, there is no equal give and take, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Yes. And for some, they are also working on their inner strength. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Your person is very independent and powerful person, and they are very, I think, financially also they are independent. And right now they're feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high, but they're waiting for divine timing and thinking about you a lot. I think you both are taking rest, you both are healing, but you both have strong emotions towards each other. King of Cups, you love this person, and for some, there are some disturbances, and lots of your third party involved in this connection. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, you both want this relationship. Definitely there will be some communication, and you're both obsessed with each other. Yeah, you both won't give up on each other because you both have strong emotions towards each other. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Leo especially. And yes, you both are stuck on each other, and there is some transformation is going in this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. Finances and career. I realized my mistake. Twin flames, and lots of you are in twin flame journey, and I always thinking about you. So finances and career, I realized my mistake, twin flames. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. You're very close to achieving your goal. So if you're doing consistent hard work to achieving your goal, this is the message for you. You are very close to achieving your goal. And you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer energy. So if you're worrying about your person, maybe you're in long distance relationship, maybe you're worrying about your family. So this is the message for you. You and your loved ones are safe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.